Intro music plays. Hey homeowners, is your bath fitter tub looking a bit worn out? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are some easy tips to clean your bath fitter tub like a pro. First up, why clean regularly? It stops soap scum and hard water stains, keeps that smooth acrylic surface, and prevents mold and mildew. And guess what? A clean tub lasts longer and saves you money. Ready to dive in? Gather your supplies: a mild, non-abrasive cleaner, a soft cloth or sponge, a cleaning brush for tough spots, rubber gloves, and a microfiber towel for drying. Easy, right? Before you start, remove bath mats and accessories. Rinse the tub with warm water to get rid of any loose dirt. Now let's tackle soap scum and hard water stains. Apply an acrylic-safe cleaner to a soft cloth or sponge. Scrub gently in circular motions, especially where water flows the most. For stubborn stains, let the cleaner sit for a few minutes. It'll break down those tough spots, making them easier to clean. Don't forget about mold and mildew prevention. Dry the tub after each use a squeegee to remove excess water, and ensure proper ventilation. Got scratches? For light scratches, rub gently with a mild abrasive cleaner. For deeper ones, use an acrylic scratch repair kit. Finally, maintain your tub's shine by drying it well after each cleaning and ensuring good bathroom airflow. So there you go. With these tips, your bath fitter tub will look like new in no time. Happy cleaning!